Hi, I'm CK, and I'm the Curiosity Kid. I'm here to make learning fun for everyone. Today, I will be teaching you a multiplication strategy. Today's strategy is called the Lattice Method. No, not the Lattice Method. The Lattice Method. You can use the Lattice Method when you're multiplying multi-digit numbers. Let's do this problem together. 623 times 47. Seems hard, doesn't it? Not when you're doing it this way. First, you will draw a box. You then make that box a grid. You then draw lines. The 623 goes up here since it has 3 digits. This leaves the 47 on the side. Now we start multiplying. 3 times 4 is 12. You put the 1 in the top triangle and the 2 in the bottom triangle. Next, 3 times 7 is 21. Again, you put the 2 in the top triangle and the 1 in the bottom triangle. Next, 2 times 4 is 8. Now this is where it gets difficult. You need to put a 0 in the top triangle and an 8 in the bottom triangle. Since technically one-digit numbers have an invisible 0 before the digit. Next is 2 times 7 is 14. Again, you do the same thing. 1 in the top triangle, 4 in the bottom triangle. Next, 6 times 4 is 24. And finally, 6 times 7 is 42. You can now get rid of the numbers on the top, so you do not get confused. Now you start adding diagonally within the lattice. You do not add up and down like in regular addition. First is the 1. You bring it right down to the bottom. Next, 2 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. Put the 8 at the bottom. Next, 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 2 is 12. Put the 2 in the bottom and carry the 1 up here. Next, 1 plus 0 plus 4 plus 4 is 9. And last is the 2, since it's all alone.
I'm all alone in here.
You can now write the answer by going from the top left down to the bottom right. So 2, 9, 2, 8, 1. That makes the answer 29,281. You can use this for any number of digits. Just be sure to make the lattice the right size for the right amount of digits. I hope this has helped you with the Lattice Method. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to get your parents to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell to be reminded when I upload a new video. For now, this is Curiosity Kid saying, stay curious. Bye!